There comes a moment in every woman's life when the mirror no longer reflects the same person who once seemed unstoppable. The face looking back carries stories, laughter lines, quiet triumphs, scars from heartbreak, and the wisdom of years that no cream or filter can replicate. Yet for women over 40, this moment isn't a signal of decline, it's an awakening. A time not to chase youth, but to redefine what health, beauty, and strength truly mean. In your 40s, your body begins to whisper truths it once ignored. Energy levels shift, metabolism slows, hormones fluctuate, and recovery takes a little longer. But this isn't the end of vitality. It's the beginning of awareness. True health at this stage means listening, not fighting your body, but working with it. Nutrition becomes more about nourishment than restriction. It's about whole foods that sustain your energy, proteins that protect your muscles, and hydration that fuels your skin and mind. The goal is no longer to fit into a certain size, but to fit into your own life, fully, energetically, and with purpose. Exercise takes on a new meaning too. Gone are the days of punishing yourself with endless cardio sessions or chasing trends that promise instant results. Strength, real, enduring strength, becomes the cornerstone of health. Lifting weights, doing yoga, or simply walking with consistency builds not only physical endurance but mental clarity. Movement becomes a celebration of what your body can do, not a punishment for what it's not. A woman over 40 who moves with intention radiates a kind of beauty that goes beyond skin. It's a quiet power that comes from self-respect and discipline. And then there's beauty, the word that the world has tried to define for women for centuries. But women over 40 are rewriting that script. Beauty is no longer about chasing the glow of youth. It's about embodying the glow of authenticity. It's in the way you laugh without holding back, in the confidence that comes from knowing who you are, and in the grace you carry even through challenges. A wrinkle is not a flaw. It's a timeline of moments you've lived fully. A strand of grey is not a loss. It's a sign that you've endured, loved, and learned. When you see yourself through the lens of experience instead of expectation, beauty stops being something to maintain and becomes something to express. Emotional strength, too, evolves in this decade. Women over 40 often juggle more than ever. Careers, relationships, aging parents, growing children, and their own evolving dreams. Yet in this balancing act lies an incredible power. You begin to realize that strength isn't about never breaking. It's about knowing how to rebuild. You've faced enough storms to recognize that vulnerability isn't weakness, it's honesty. And that honesty, with yourself and others, creates the kind of emotional resilience that no one can take away. Mentally, this is the decade of clarity. You begin to shed the weight of other people's expectations. You stop living for approval and start living for alignment. You begin asking, what do I really want, not what others told you to want? Redefining success becomes part of redefining health and beauty. It's no longer about status or appearance, it's about peace. A peaceful woman is powerful beyond measure. She knows what drains her, what fills her, and she unapologetically chooses joy over perfection. But this transformation doesn't come automatically. It's intentional. It's about taking back the narrative. The media may tell women over 40 that they are past their prime, but that's a lie built on fear and profit. The truth is, this is often the most powerful decade of your life. Your confidence is grounded. Your compassion is mature. Your desires are clear. You no longer seek validation, you embody it. Redefining beauty at this age means embracing yourself with radical honesty, saying, I'm not who I was at 25, and I don't want to be. I'm stronger, wiser, and more alive now than ever before. Spiritually, something deeper awakens. You start to sense that real beauty and strength come from the inside out, from the way you love, forgive, and nurture yourself. You understand that health is not just physical but emotional, mental and spiritual harmony. You learn to slow down, to breathe, to say no without guilt and yes without fear. You find beauty in stillness, in gratitude, in the sacred ordinary moments that used to rush by unnoticed. And perhaps the most beautiful part of redefining yourself after 40 is realizing that it's not about becoming someone new. It's about returning to the person you were meant to be before the world told you who to become. You start to let go of comparison and competition. You celebrate other women's success instead of measuring your own against it. You start to see aging not as fading, but as unfolding, layer by layer, deeper into authenticity, wisdom, and grace. Women over 40 are not invisible. They are invincible. Every wrinkle, every lesson, every scar tells a story of survival and growth. This is not the season of decline, it's the season of definition. You are not too old to start something new, to fall in love again, to chase a dream, or to reinvent your path. You are just old enough to do it without fear. So redefine your health by making it about vitality, not vanity. Redefine your beauty by letting it be rooted in truth, not trends. Redefine your strength by finding balance, not burnout. The power of a woman over 40 lies not in trying to look young, but in living fully, mind, body, and soul, in the age she's in. Because when you embrace this season with courage and grace, you don't just age, you rise. You inspire others to do the same. You prove that beauty doesn't fade, it evolves. Strength doesn't diminish, it deepens. And health isn't about how you look in the mirror, it's about how you feel when you wake up and know deep down that you are enough. This is your time, not to look back at what was, but to look forward to everything that still can be. The best years of your life aren't behind you. They are right here, waiting for you to claim them with boldness, wisdom, and an unshakable sense of self. Because being over 40 isn't a limitation, it's liberation. And the woman who realizes that becomes unstoppable.